Hi, folks. I hope everyone is doing well in these crazy times. I just wanted to say thank you for all you've done in this transition. Um, in hindsight, I realized a lot of things could have been better during that transition, but I am learning now how to teach online. So I'll have all those tricks available to me this summer when I teach online. But the talk is that online will continue probably through fall semester, so just be prepared for that. And hopefully you get some really good instructors who know what they're doing. Um, so thank you. I've heard some incredible stories from some of you, and the fact that you persevered through some hardships was really touching to me, and I'm really proud of all that you have accomplished in finishing up the semester, and particularly in my course. Um, so, just a reminder: today at 11:59 p.m., your final drafts are due, and then you are finished. I will be grading for the next few days. My grades are due on Thursday. So try to get your essays in a timely manner before I have to get my grades submitted. Well, thank you. It's been great, wonderful. Kwaheri, which means in Swahili, goodbye. And I hope you enjoy your summer, folks. Take care.